things I want to point out is that a lot of the times I use the first two and then I use the first and the last. You don't have to do that. You can look and kind of see if you notice anything that falls out, and you can use a combination of any of those. So I just want to make sure that you know that. I just kind of do that by habit. All right, so let's look at this again, and I think that I'm going to choose the bottom two. I'll do that just to be different, okay? And I think that I'm going to have x drop out. So I'm going to have this one multiplied through by a negative 3. So I end up with, and I know I usually write these out here, but since these are the two at the bottom, I don't need to. So this is negative 6x plus 3y minus 9z equals negative 30. And then when I add up these two, I get, that's what gives me 0. Negative 2y plus 3y is y. And then here I've got negative 5z equals negative 38. So y minus 5z equals negative 38. Okay, so let's look now, let's do the top one and the bottom one. So 3x minus y plus 2z equals 4, and 2x minus y plus 3z equals 10. And maybe this wasn't the best idea, I don't know, but, well no, I do know this wasn't the best choice exactly because I have to manipulate two equations, but that's okay. We can handle that and we'll do that right now. So I need the x's to drop out, so I'm going to multiply the top one by a negative 2, okay, and the bottom one by a 3. So I'm really just flip-flopping right here so that these will give me a negative 6 and a 6. So I've got negative 6x plus 2y minus 4z equals negative 8, and 6x minus 3y plus 9z equals 30. Okay, so this gives me negative y plus 5z equals 22. All right, so negative y plus 5z equals 22. Well, hopefully you see right here that the y's are eliminated, and so are the z's. So I get a 0 on this side, but negative 38 plus 22 is negative 16. And that can't be right. So in this case, there's no solution. All right, now let me show you something else. That was kind of I worked out that problem on purpose in a way that showed how long you can go before you notice where it's no solution, where 0 equals something else. But sometimes you get lucky, or you can notice a pattern between, I see a pattern between these two, and you'll get this no solution answer right off the bat. So let's start this problem over. And this time I'm going to use these two equations. And I'm going to multiply the top equation by a negative 2 so that we cancel out these x's. So I have a negative 6x plus a 2y minus 4z equals negative 8. And then here I have just the regular equation. I didn't have to do anything to it. Well, look. My x's are eliminated, my y's are eliminated, my z's are eliminated. I get 0 equals negative 16, and that time I got it right at the very start of the problem. So look ahead, look and see if there are any patterns that you notice that will make you get this kind of an answer. Okay, so now I would like you to try this one. So pause your video and we'll come right back. Well, it looks like I'll have to do this on the next video because we're out of time on this one.